so that's Hakka. I don't know how many of you speak that dialect. Anyone? Yay! At least one person. Okay. Okay, because Hakka is a dialect that's kind of dying in Taiwan, so it's not a very popular dialect. Okay, and the next song is called "在山姑娘要出嫁," which means a girl in a deep mountain getting married. Okay, it's again a story of a young man. But this time, he's not leaving his hometown, but rather his girlfriend is getting married to someone else. Yeah, it actually happens a lot back in the days. Not here, but back in the days, it actually happened a lot. So this young man, so on the day the girl is gonna get married to someone else, he found out. He was like, "Oh my God, guys, wait up!" Okay, so because the girl is being carried away somewhere else, and he's chasing after her. But he never made it. A sad story again. So, and back in the days, there were no cars. So there were 4 guys carrying the bride in something like a cart. So they're carrying her away to get married to someone else. So he's chasing after them and he's shouting, okay? And when I shout that, you guys will have to say, "Hey show, hey show, hey show, hey show, look guy show, look guy show." Okay? And Tiffany right here with the horse head, pay attention to her, okay? She's gonna lead you guys when you have to sing that. So let's rehearse. When I shout, you have to do that, okay? So,喂，更叫的小蛋的哦，嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，落盖咻落盖咻。Good job. I guess I'll drum. And so at the end of each verse, there will be a little space. That's when you also will have to sing hey show, hey show, hey show, hey show 4 times, okay? So after I shout, you say hey show, hey show, hey show, hey show, look guy show, look guy show. And that's the sound of working hard. I don't know how they got that, but that's just like, okay, the 4 men carrying the girl away. So remember, pay attention to the horse head. And I'm gonna also give you a hint. I might wink at you, okay? So there you go. 来山姑娘要出嫁。新山来也会叫，国吹白音铃动叫，来山的姑娘要这叫要出嫁。哦。一个来插小姑娘，无情做伊就会叫，头壳黎黎一直去，无听后面我在叫，嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，不知要嫁去叨位，并无来对我讲出，到底什原因？嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，放洒我给别人，嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻。希望最後見一面，拼甲大氣喘袂停，那知曾差半分鐘，新娘已經上轎頂。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，不知不覺也對你去，無疑你並無越頭，予人想袂到。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，出來山啊嫁別人。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻。爱你要亲像花鼎，我是无出兵破军，今日害我来失恋，可比有心无灵魂。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，紧紧来送你离开，连一句拢无安慰，害阮悲伤死。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻，心爱的嫁别人。嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻嘿咻。在山一个青山来也会叫，风吹白音铃动叫，来山的姑娘要这叫要出嫁。好 ，You guys are good. cargo that messed up is part of the plan, okay?